Myself B. Malathi, research scholar under the guidance of Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya Garu. Now this video is part of the presentation on the publication of our research group. This publication is related to the cyber crime, and the title of the paper is Exploring Cyber Intelligence Alternatives for Countering Cybercrime. Here the first part is the abstract part, and in this paper a case study of cybercrime about the JNTU Jack website is presented, and also an attempt is made to find out and do away with the lacuna in the prevailing cyber laws, and also the IT Act 2000 and the related Amendment Act 2008. Why? Such that the law takes the knowledge or awareness of all kinds of cyber crimes perpetrated against the individual or the society or the nations. And here CERTIN and ICANN, these are the two organizations which are projected. Okay, and here the CERTIN is nothing but an organization which is relevant to handling these types of cyber crimes. ICANN is an organization to control the cyberspace by blocking the space wherein the content involves cognizable offense. Okay, and in detail we will see about those two organizations later. The introduction part, and this introduction part defines the intelligence, artificial intelligence, web intelligence and cyber intelligence. Okay, and we already know like intelligence is nothing but the ability to learn, understand and think in a logical way about things. Okay, and as we already know that there is some computable IQ also, that is a formula also for the intelligence. And now AI, artificial intelligence, is the study of how to make the computers do the things which at moment people do better. Okay, and similarly web intelligence is also the area of internet based study or research and the application of IT and AI. Okay, and this is creates the next generation products and services. And this finally cyber intelligence, which is a synonym for the web intelligence, which is the intelligence used in the prevention or identification of these cyber crimes. Okay, and cyber intelligence is shared or group intelligence, which emerges from the collaborative or collective efforts of the individuals. Okay, and next the cyber crime and forensics. Here the cyber crime definition is presented, where it's nothing but the offense that is committed against the individuals or group of individuals with the criminal motive. Why? The intention is to harm the reputation of the victim or cause physical or mental harm to the victim directly or indirectly using the modern telecommunication networks such as internet. That is the cybercrime definition which is provided as per HASL 11. Next, the cybercrime perpetrated against the nation, which is shown as a case study here, and that figure is also provided here. Okay, which is extracted from the website's home page, that is JNTU Jack, and that is clearly explained here. Okay, now this State Emblem of India Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005. And what is this exactly? The provisions of it, the usage of it has been shown here. Okay, now this Act of Parliament of India enacted for regulation of commercial and improper usage of Emblem of India. Okay, and this Emblem of India is the adaptation of the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Okay, that's the general thing which everybody knows. Okay, and the provisions are also shown here. The provisions includes many things like No person can use the emblem or any color imitation in a manner so as to create an impression that it is associated with the official document of the central government or the state government. So there are many provisions here. No person can use the emblem for commercial purpose, or registration of the intellectual property containing the emblem is prohibited. Central government has a power to regulate and make the rules for proper usage. Creation of false impression of association with government is punishable. The commercial usage of the emblem is punishable with the imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 6 months. Okay, so these are all the provisions with respect to that particular act. Next, coming to the usage part of it, the official seal shall have the emblem enclosed in an oval or a round frame with the name of the ministry or department written within the frame. So this is how it has to be used. The state government can use the emblem or a part of it after taking permission from the central government. Okay, and even the emblem can be displayed on important government buildings only. Okay, and emblem cannot be used for former functionaries of the government. Okay, the state emblem of India rules 2007 lays down the persons who can use the emblem in official stationery, cards, etc. So this is the regarding the particular Act 2005, State Emblem of India Act 2005. Okay, and the provisions and usage. Next, coming to the Computer Emergency Response Team, that is CRT, and this refers to the team of experts where in the CMU University, that is Carnegie Mellon University. Okay, and it is licensed to other teams also around the world, and this handles the computer security incidents rather than the other support work, technical support work. It plays a key role in the elimination of the malware and computer worms on the internet. Okay, and in this CERTIN, that is Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, which is formed in 2004, okay, at New Delhi. The motto of it is handling computer security incidents, and the functions of it with respect to this cyber security is collection, analysis and dissemination of the information on cyber incidents, forecast and alerts, emergency measures, coordination of cyber incident response activities, and the issue guidelines, advisories, etc., and some other functions, okay, which are related to cyber security. These are all the functions of CERTIN. Next, ICANN, this is Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, and this coordinates the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, IANA, functions, and these are key technical services critical to the continued operations of the Internet's underlying address book, that is DNS, Domain Name Service, and its functions include the coordination of the assignment of technical protocol parameters, administration of the responsibilities, allocation of internet numbering resources, other services. This ICANN performs the IANA functions under a US government contract. And in this RIPE, that is RIPE-NCC, is one of the 5 regional internet registries, and it will provide the internet resource allocation, the registration services, coordination activities that support the operation of the internet globally. And then the cyber laws versus Indian context. What is the cyber law? Cyber law or internet law, it is a term that encapsulates the legal issues which are related to the use of the internet. It covers the areas of law and regulation. Okay, and the sub areas of it are nothing but the internet access, usage, privacy, freedom of expression, jurisdiction, etc. And it provides legal recognition to e-documents also. Okay, it provides a framework to support e-filing and e-commerce transactions. It provides a legal framework to mitigate and check the cyber crimes. Okay, but in India, no thorough controls for the national authorities to check and eliminate the cyber crimes perpetrated against the nation and its peoples. So there are no thorough controls. The Indian laws are not able to devise mechanisms together with IETF successfully. Okay, and cyber laws should be regulated such that their prevalence and provisions do not cause any threat to the national sovereignties. That is the change that need to be brought about. And finally, the conclusions. And here the conclusions are nothing but the new semantics of intelligence in the context of advances in the field of ICTs need to be brought. Explore cyber intelligence and cybercrime by reporting the case study approach. That is the next one. Now here, this JNTU Hijack website means that the clues and the evidences of the cybercrime could be difficult to capture. Okay. Maybe they may be manipulating the image file in the home page that can be easily made to disappear. So it is it is presented that the usage of state emblem of India in the website in a way that is prohibited by the Act 2005. Okay. Next, CERTIN is a remedying organizational setting with respect to the cyber crimes. Even ICANN is also identified as the organization which is relevant to blocking a website that involves these crimes. And the cyber laws are not well laid to map the cyber crimes. For this, technical intensity in the crime involvement has to be graded. That is very important. That's a change that need to be brought about. So, in this regard, the expertise in the field of cybercrime and cyber laws is not well developed. That is the main conclusion. Thank you.